Hello, I'm in a 2010 Subaru Forester, and today I'm going to show you how to open this gas cover so you can refill your gasoline and continue on the road. So you can't do it from out here just yet because it's all locked up. So we'll go back around to the driver's side and open up the door. All right. And from inside the driver's side, this one's invisible because it's missing the piece, but right here, right by the driver's seat, I'll pull this up, should have a little resistance, but this should open up that little safety cover in your gas cap. Again, you should have a little something there. And then you'll see that it's popped. So you just open it up. Open this like normal, fill it with your gas, close up like normal, and when you close it again, it'll be locked again. Hope that was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.